Tesla is dropping 2.2% right now. I hope you guys are not panicking, right? Because in my humble opinion, I don't see any particular reason to panic because Tesla is doing exactly what has been doing in the past few days. We don't see anything new around here, but we have some important key points to keep in mind. And let's do a complete multiple time frame analysis in this video. Let's look at the 1 hour chart, daily chart, and weekly chart. Let's try to understand how the market is behaving in the short, mid, and long term. I hope you guys are going to like this video. Remember to click on the like button to support me. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers, so thank you very much. If you are new around here, subscribe to this channel. So let's talk about Tesla right now. Tesla's price action. As we can see, let's start in the 1 hour chart. Let's start analyzing the short term. Tesla is clearly in doing some range trading, okay? The $943 is the most important resistance level for it to break. It seems it is a very annoying point. People are selling here. Some people are not gonna let Tesla to break this area that easily. I don't know why. We don't need to know why. All we can assume is that Tesla has a very strong resistance, okay? However, Tesla has very strong support levels as well. As we can see, we have these Fibonacci's retracements down here. The 38.2 worked as a support 1, 2, 3 times in the past, and the 50% retracement worked as 1, 2, and it is about to work a third time right now. So these support levels are working quite nicely for Tesla in the short term. This is the only reason why Tesla is not dropping more sharply, but as long as we don't see any crystal clear bearish structure around, we can't assume that Tesla is going to fill this gap right away, okay? Because Tesla is doing this right now. Tesla, since its top, it's just doing this. Hardly it's going to do this, okay? I do not believe this is going to happen. However, I would be much more convinced if Tesla does this, okay? If Tesla does a crystal clear bearish structure like a bearish pivot point, if it bounces back up to the EMA, it finds the EMA a resistance at the EMA area, and then it drops again, does a bearish candlestick pattern up here, I don't know anything, then alright, Tesla is going to trigger a bearish pivot point. Potentially the gap is going to be our next target, and that would be great. I think if Tesla fills this gap, it's going to be a good thing when we analyze Tesla in the mid and long term as well. When we analyze the daily chart, what's the true problem with Tesla? The problem is that we are still in a mid-term bear trend. We still see lower highs, lower lows. We don't see higher highs, higher lows. We only see Tesla dropping, doing bearish structures all around. And recently, on January 28, we hit this point as a support level, and right now we are bouncing back up to the EMA, and the EMA is working as a resistance for us as well. The EMA right now is at $938, which is almost the same point in the 1 hour chart, the $943, this purple line, only $5 difference, right? So yes, this is not gonna be an easy resistance to break, and Tesla is not giving us any good, meaningful bullish sign right now, especially because Tesla has been accumulating since January 31, but look at this volume. The volume is decreasing, and this is telling us that Tesla is just, it is not going up and it is not dropping because the lack of momentum. There is no one actually selling Tesla because no one seems to believe that Tesla is going to crash for good right now. So I know some people might say Tesla is going to hit, I don't know, $200, but this is not what the price action is telling us. Right now, people are not interested in selling Tesla, but the problem is people are not trying to buy Tesla as well. However, the situation changes when we analyze the weekly chart. In the weekly chart, 2 weeks ago, we retested this purple line as a support level. We reacted nicely and we did a false breakout of the $900 area. This was a very good sign, which this week was almost totally denied. So all we can assume is that Tesla is just having a very hard time near a support level, long-term speaking. Since we are analyzing the long term, when we see Tesla near a support level, what do? We look for buy opportunities. Because this is Tesla. This is how Tesla behaves. Every time Tesla retests a support level in the long term, it is an excuse to buy. So technically speaking, statistically speaking, historically speaking, Tesla is in a very nice buy zone right now. And what's more interesting is that movements like this are totally normal. I see people annoyed because Tesla is not going up, Tesla is not pricing all of its amazing growth that it has to perform yet, and etc. Guys, Tesla right now is doing an accumulation just like it did over here from August to November, right? It spent months moving sideways before the next explosion. Then 2021 was a very big, gigantic accumulation as well. Tesla dropped to its EMA. It danced around its EMA for many months before it could fly from the 600s to the 1200s again. I'm so sorry, not again, but for the first time, right? So it took months for this scenario to materialize. Right now, Tesla is again dropping, retesting support levels. It could keep dancing around its EMA, its support around $900, and the bull trend would still be 100% intact in the long term. So as far as I know, I think we should look for buy opportunities in the short, mid, long term. And if we see any meaningful bullish structure around here, which we don't, okay? Right now, Tesla is not a buy. If you ask me, no, it is not a buy because we don't have any meaningful good bullish sign in the short term. However, if it does, I think it's going to give us an amazing opportunity to accumulate more, to add positions, or to buy Tesla for the first time if you want to participate in this company's growth. All right, so my friends, let's not panic. Let's just wait for more information. I will keep you guys updated. I do plan on recording videos every single day over here. Maybe next month I'm gonna do that, I don't know, but I will record videos every single day. I will keep you guys updated on Tesla. So remember to subscribe, remember to click on the like button. Thank you very much for your support and see you guys on Monday on our next video. Have a great weekend, stay safe.